Hi students, I'm Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Here is a very short video introducing our team of faculty for CA or CMA Final 25th regular batch. So the first subject, financial reporting. So for this subject, we have a wonderful team, a wonderful faculty in our team, Mr. Santosh Mehra sir, who is a practicing chartered accountant, and he is also a registered valuer and also holds a diploma in IFRS. And he has rich experience in implementation of Ind AS and has participated in implement of Ind AS in more than 15 listed entities. And he is an impaneled faculty at ICA and has more than 8 years of rich experience. And he is known for his practical approach in training, and he is very popular among students for teaching Ind accounting standards in a wonderful manner. And in case of interactive mode of classes, he will be delivering the lectures in 200 to 220 hours, and with respect to video classes, it will be around 160 hours. Now, strategic financial management, we have another wonderful faculty in our team with 33 years of teaching experience in SFM, and he is extremely popular in Mumbai, Mr. A.N. Sridhar sir, and he is also popular in Bangalore, Kochi, as well as Guntur. And in case of interactive mode of classes, he will be finishing off the syllabus in 210 to 225 hours. Same is the case with video lectures also. Now coming to advanced auditing and professional ethics, let me introduce our faculty, Mr. Chilukuri Venkateswara Sarma sir from Vijayawada. He has more than 19 years of teaching and practical experience in the field of accounts and audit of various listed and other companies. And he is a reputed faculty at ICA Hyderabad, Vijayawada and Guntur. So with respect to interactive classes, he will be delivering lectures in 210 to 225 hours. And with respect to video lectures, he will be taking classes for 210 to 225 hours. Now coming to corporate class and economic class main paper and elective paper economic class. My dear students, we recommend all the students to choose economic class as the elective paper because it has the highest pass percentage. So let me introduce another wonderful faculty, Mr. Kaushik Mukesh sir, who is dual qualified. He is from Vijayawada. He has more than 7 years of teaching experience and he is a practicing CA. And he has a very unique and innovative manner of delivering his thoughts with live examples. Since he is into practice, he will teach the theoretical concepts also in a very practical manner. And he is a very reputed faculty among students of Hyderabad, Guntur and Vijayawada. So with respect to interactive as well as video classes, he will be delivering the lectures in 230 hours. This 230 hours is inclusive of main paper and elective paper. So strategic cost management and performance evaluation. So Mr. Prasanna Kumar sir, who is a chartered accountant native from Hyderabad, and he is popular among students as PK sir. He has more than 8 years of teaching experience, extremely popular for SCMP subject across the nation, and reputed faculty in Hyderabad, Guntur, and also visiting faculty for ICA Hyderabad branch. So interactive classes 210 to 225 hours, video lectures around 200 hours. Indirect taxes, our faculty, Mr. Gururaj Shekhar sir, who is extremely popular among mastermind students. So more than 12 years of teaching experience, and he teaches the subject of indirect taxes in a very detailed manner, and students love his way of teaching. And he's also very popular in taking these indirect taxes classes at CA final level at Hyderabad, Vijayawada, Vizag and Guntur branches of Masterminds. And with respect to interactive as well as video lectures, we'll be dealing this subject in 180 to 200 hours. And coming to another popular faculty, Mr. Ramu sir from Hyderabad, who is going to deal with us direct taxes and international taxation. So more than 15 years of experience in teaching direct taxes. He is also into practice and he has taught more than 15,000 aspirants to various levels of students at CA course. And he is also faculty member for premier institutions and visiting faculty for ICA and ICMA chapters at Chennai, Kochi, Bangalore, Hyderabad, as well as Guntur. So with respect to interactive classes, he will be delivering the lectures in 210 to 225 hours. And with respect to video classes, he will be delivering the lectures in 200 hours. So my dear students, whatever the list I have shown to you, it's most probable list. In case of unavoidable circumstances, we may change the faculty. And you might have observed that Generally, interactive classes will take more number of hours than video lectures, because during interactive sessions, what happens is students will be asking some doubts and faculty will be able to resolve the same. So if you are able to watch those interactive sessions, the advantage is that you will be able to watch even the doubts being raised by the students, which will help you to understand the subject in a still better manner. So that's why there will be a slight difference between the number of hours of coaching in interactive mode of learning and video lectures learning. But frankly speaking, I have received complaints from large number of students that they are not finding video lectures to be that much useful, because they are keep on postponing watching the videos. They're not having any fixed schedule. As a result, things are getting delayed. So for all such students, what I recommend is, please come and join for CA final in Guntur Masterminds, because this time we are going to conduct the classes in interactive mode only. So this is similar to Zoom. We are going to adopt a software similar to Zoom, where classes will be conducted live. So it's like live telecast of the classes. It's not like recorded classes. And you can directly chat with the faculty. If you have any doubt, you can chat with the faculty and faculty will be able to solve your doubts. So this way of interactive batch we have started in Guntur. So I think this is going to revolutionize the CA final coaching, and Masterminds is one among very few institutions who have shifted to this interactive way of coaching for CA final. So till now, majority faculty and majority institutions are offering CA final coaching only through video lectures. Since large number of students have complained me about the disadvantages of video lectures, we have decided to start this interactive mode of learning. All the best.